Where is BTC headed now? Bitcoin price forecast as bulls hold $20,000 level. Sunday witnessed a little increase in the prices of both Bitcoin and Ethereum, with BTC surging beyond $20,000 and ETH crossing the $1,400 threshold. Yet, this continuous moderate rise in cryptocurrency value could be due to the US dollar's depreciation, which followed February's labor reports showing weaker wage growth. The adoption of Ordinal, a Layer 2 solution, is also broadening the scope of the Bitcoin network's use cases beyond simple BTC exchanges. Although there are conflicting views on the use of Ordinal in the Bitcoin community, its growing acceptance and possible effects on the Bitcoin network may affect the way things are done for miners of the cryptocurrency. By making quick and affordable transactions possible, Ordinal has the potential to enhance acceptance of Bitcoin while also lightening the network's strain. In the end, this might boost BTC miners' productivity and profitability. This has been noted as one of the crucial elements that might aid in BTC regaining its strength and rising in price. US dollar declines, boosting the Bitcoin market. Throughout the past week, there have been huge declines in the value of cryptocurrencies, with both Bitcoin and Ethereum losing approximately 11% of their value. Nevertheless, when the value of the US dollar dropped, the price slide started to slow down and Bitcoin started to recoup some of its losses. It's interesting to note that the recent boom in the cryptocurrency market has been greatly aided by the declining value of the US dollar. Nonetheless, the February labor statistics showed slower pay growth, pointing to lessening inflationary pressures. This might lead the Federal Reserve to maintain gradual increases in interest rates, weakening the allure of the US currency. The US economy added jobs quickly in February, but expectations for a 50 basis point rate increase when Federal Reserve officials meet in 2 weeks have been muted by weaker pay growth and higher unemployment rates. But, it's still unclear how the cryptocurrency market and the US dollar will do in the upcoming weeks given the lingering regulatory worries and recent market turbulence. Concerns of financial market contagion are sparked by the liquidity crisis at Silicon Valley Bank. A severe liquidity problem has severely impacted Silicon Valley Bank, SVB, a significant financial institution that serves venture capital businesses. The bank's problems have aroused worries about the possible impact on the larger economy as well as fears of financial market contagion. It is important to note that the bank, with its main office in Santa Clara, California, offers a variety of financial services to venture capital firms and the companies that make up the portfolios. SVB is renowned for its technological knowledge and has significantly contributed to the expansion of Silicon Valley's venture capital sector. Insiders have reported a severe liquidity crisis at the organization, which has been emphasized in previous reports as the bank suffers financially. According to the sources, the bank has had trouble keeping up its funding levels, raising worries that it could not be able to fulfill its obligations. It should be noted that significant digital asset prices have fallen as a result of the announcement of SVB's liquidity problem, which has shocked the cryptocurrency market. The revelation has had a big negative impact on the cryptocurrency market, which has been on a bull run for the past month. Bitcoin and Ethereum have seen significant value losses. How SVB and other financial institutions handle the crisis and whether or not the consequences can be controlled will be the main topics of discussion. Yet, as investors look for indications of stability and a return to routine, the cryptocurrency market, like other financial markets, will be closely monitoring developments in the coming weeks. Effect on BTC of SEC rejecting VanEck's proposed Bitcoin trust. It's important to note that VanEck's plan to establish a spot Bitcoin trust that would permit investors to trade Bitcoin on regulated exchanges was once again denied by the Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC. In the previous 6 years, the SEC has been hesitant to approve any such applications, which has resulted in close to 20 comparable rejections. In rejecting VanEck's proposal, the SEC noted issues with market manipulation, liquidity, and valuation. To ensure that investors' interests are protected, the Commission also pointed out that there is currently a lack of transparency and regulation in the Bitcoin market. The short-term price of Bitcoin is probably going to suffer if VanEck's plan is rejected since it will be harder for investors to buy Bitcoin through authorized channels. It also draws attention to the regulatory difficulties that cryptocurrencies still encounter in the US. Bitcoin cost. The current live price of one Bitcoin is $21,515 with a $22.8 billion 24-hour trading volume. The price of Bitcoin increased 5.00% in the last day. With a $415 billion live market cap, it is the current leader on CoinMarketCap. Bitcoin has retraced from the $19,850 support level. If it had fallen below this line, selling pressure might have been released, causing a further slump towards the $16,400 mark. On the other side, the $21,700 resistance level is the first obstacle for Bitcoin. If Bitcoin crosses above this point, it would spark purchasing interest and possibly drive its price up to the $23,175 mark. There is a chance that Bitcoin might possibly cross the $25,150 level if the positive trend keeps on.